how to use the National NA-VR1200R washing machine. First, empty the lint catcher. The National NA-VR1200R is a combination washing machine and drying system. Replace the lint. Press the top button. Notice 3 buttons.
Washing only, wash and dry, dry only. Which one?
Wash and dry.
Then start.
Okay. Again, select washing only, wash and dry, or dry. In this case, we selected wash and dry, and then press start. Notice 1.0 is
scoop of soap.
Scoop of soap. 1.0 is 1 portion of soap up to the line and place in the first compartment of the soap and liquid dispenser. Again, 1.0 was the number, and then place 1 portion of soap.
This is softener.
This is liquid softener, and usage is
20
milliliters for a 1.0
every
soap.
time.
Every time is 20 ml. In the third compartment of the dispenser. Close it, and that's it. Thank you for viewing our instructions for the National NA-VR1200R. Bye-bye.